G'day! In today's video I'm opening up and replacing the earpiece speaker in an iPhone 15 Pro. This one I've already had opened once before to inspect it and to clean the mesh at the very top of the phone, and that made zero difference. So we're going to have to proceed and open it up again now that I've had parts arrive. I'll use a pentalobe screw here. And yeah, the end goal is to carefully lift the screen out without damaging it. Right now the phone has been switched off and it's been sitting on my blue heat pad here at 65 degrees Celsius for about the past 5 minutes, so it is quite warm to the touch. That combined with the isopropyl alcohol I'm now putting around here, that should soften the adhesive. But as I said before, this has been opened up once before and there's a high risk you can damage the screen trying to lift it out. There's a high risk I could possibly damage it again trying to get it out. I'm using a flat metal pry tool, just putting it in the very bottom of the phone here, and I want to lift up just slightly. And then I'll go over a little bit further, do the same thing again, just to try and break the seal so I can eventually get a plastic pry tool through and around. Now I must stress this will look considerably easier than what it actually is. A, because of experience, and B, that this has been opened once before. So do not try and just push down and then tilt. It will damage the display. And I'm just going to keep reapplying isopropyl down here just so it lifts up. Once I can start getting in there, we're alright, but getting to that stage takes a little bit of time. Possibly even try and go in on the side here. Let's see if I get the pry tool in, like so. Nope. So I've only just got in on just a little bit down there. As I really don't want to damage an iPhone 15 Pro screen. There we go. I can switch it all to plastic. I tend to go around both sides first, and then go back around, just to start lifting it. There we go. And I try to wiggle it back a bit. There we go. Now I can fold this over. I'd say there's what we're going to want to replace. Now we'll have to take this bracket off here. Just going to use my little phone holder to keep that screen up. I reckon I should be able to do the operation without fully detaching the screen, but let's see where we end up. Put this over here. There's a couple of these screws that are of a different length. Down there. I'll let you know when I get to them. I'm pretty sure the top two are slightly different. Or at least this one over here is. It's the same. Yeah, that one was longer. Okay, lift this up. What the hell, we will disconnect that screen. First I'll disconnect the battery down here. I'm just using my nail and prying under and lifting up. Same with the screen, same with the front sensors over here. Go. I'll move that out of the way for now. Same with this, same with this. Now, what do we got? I believe this is the earpiece speaker. It's either that or the loudspeaker. What's a loudspeaker for a 15 and a 15 Pro? Let's have a look. Right, that don't look the right size. That looks a bit bigger. Look in this one. There we go. That way. Looks like I will need to disconnect this cable here. Don't know where it's going, but we'll find out soon enough. What have we got? Just got a screw attached onto there. Don't know where you came from. So we go one. To there. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121 2. It looks like it. Got a bit of wiggle room. There we go. And that's where it blasts its audio out of. This top section here. There's 2 pins make contact on the board down here. That's how it works. So I'll put that one up here. Put the new one in. Drop it down. We'll need to try and get it in that hole for it. There we go. One screw down here. Now we just simply reverse it. 2 screw up here. The cover goes over that way. I'm going to push this back down there. And now we'll simply go in reverse. There. Now before I go too far, I'm going to take this off heat. We should turn the heat off before. I'm going to let it cool down and just make sure that this screen isn't damaged in the opening, as it is extremely delicate down the bottom here. If you do accidentally damage this section here, you will damage your whole display. So I'll let this cool down and then I'll put that cover back on, bottom screws in, and see how we do. So we've cooled down. Test, 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 test. We're playing perfectly fine now. A lot of volume coming through the top speaker. I'm going to power off and continue with the installation. So now, from here, should be able to fold this over. There. To here. Now, we'll put this screw back in. The longest screw of the bunch goes to the very front, or very top. So we'll go in here. And then from there, the rest of them shouldn't really matter. If you do miss a screw or two, what I tend to do is just focus on the edges. Over here. To here. To here. Oh, we've got the shakes today, that's for sure. No sugar. There we go. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now carefully fold it over. You don't want to accidentally squish either of these cables. So fold it. I tend to put that side in first, carefully. So I'm going to push it upwards to the top and down. There we go. And then I'm going to put a couple of screws in here. Or these 2 back in. 1, 2. This into here. That into there. And done.